This is the Rename Imports program. This program cleans up the data that was imported from the spreadsheets. This data has not yet been imported into the live database. Here we are cleaning up the names prior to importing this information into the live database. Most of the manufacturers have already been done. The manufacturer section works exactly the same as the distributor section. For the distributor section, we are selecting distributors that we want to rename to the name that is in the field below. The listing on the right is used to populate the field below. I can either use the list on the right or I can type the name below. Either way works fine, and it's a matter of preference for what works best. I can also select the Find key, which will enable me to synchronize the list on the right with the list on the left. All we are doing here is selecting the names that we want to change. We can select a range by selecting the first name and holding the Shift key and selecting the last name. We can also select or deselect individual names using the Control key. Once we double check the names and the lists that are selected, and we double check the name that they are being renamed to, we can rename all of them by clicking the Rename button. Later, after all the data is cleaned up, it will be rechecked and then imported into the live database. All the records for each distributor will appear as offices for that distributor instead of appearing as separate distributors.